Everyone, it's good to see you again at Wealthy Coins. This year, the largest percentage reduction has occurred in the price of Shiba Inu, and its volatility has been on the rise. This study suggests that traders can anticipate both positive and negative market movements using technical indicators and conventional price action methods. With an 11% decline, the value of Shiba Inu, a digital meme coin, had its worst red day of the year. A previously established trend line is about to be crossed, which will have an impact on how the token's price moves in the future. Investors should brace themselves for more losses if the bulls fail to provide support at the present level. In this video, we'll go over the Shiba Inu CEO's strategy to instantly increase the price of SHIB to $10. If you want to get our most latest material on expert analysis and price predictions for Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to the channel, share the video, and give us a thumbs up. The video needs to begin immediately. At this time, one Shiba Inu is worth 0.00000112134. Every trading day, bears aim to shut candles below the simple moving average of the past 21 days. If it's successful, it will signal the end of the broad upward trend that began in the last week of December. Nonetheless, the further increase is not completely out of the question. Based on the Relative Strength Index RSI, the current price is re-entering support levels while exhibiting positive divergence from the prior consolidation zone, which was located around 0.0000105. Hence, the present drop can be viewed as a buying opportunity in the far future. If the RSI falls below 40, the entire uptrend could be liquidated. The next key level for bulls to aim is the August high of 0.000001800, which would be a 45% gain over Shishibi's current market value. On the flip side, a drop below 40 on the RSI would likely prompt bears who entered the market near the most recent swing high of 0.0000000111575 to start adding to their positions. Because of this, there may be a stampede to sell SHITIB at its winter high point, which was about 0.0000078. If the pessimistic scenario plays out, the price of Shiba Inus might fall by 36% from where it is now. New data from blockchain search engine Etherscan shows that a cryptocurrency venture firm went on a massive buying binge, amassing billions of Shiba Inu coins. Its holdings of SHIB increased from 250,000 on February 4th to just over 130.7 billion. Jump Trading, widely recognized as one of the most diminutive hedge funds, has acquired the canine-themed meme currency and now holds about $1,700,000 worth of SHIB. Roughly $150 million worth of assets are managed via the platform. Researchers found that jump traders may have more assets than are publicly disclosed, including cash and real estate. This means their portfolio size might be significantly larger. From its 7-day high of 0.00005 to its current price of 0.00013, the Dogecoin rival's price has fallen about 4% in the past day, coinciding with the hedge fund's binge buying. A recent study by Crypto Santiment asserts that the world's 5,000 largest Ethereum whales currently possess an astounding 50,095,077,716,073 SHIB, which is slightly more than $735 million. Shiba Inu whale activity has been increasing in 2023, according to the study. The Shiba Inu burn rate is the pace at which all SHIB tokens are exhausted. To do this, a method is employed that involves sending a portion of the tokens to a public address in the absence of a known private key. This effectively removes the tokens from circulation and reduces the total supply. The original plan for SHIB's token distribution was to make it look like a traditional stock offering, with a limited supply. Half of the tokens were burned and half were locked away by the project's designers to stop token inflation. According to data collected by Glassnode, the burn rate of SHIB has dropped significantly over the past few months. The rate fell from above 8% in December 2021 to a mere 3% in January 2023. This drop in the burn rate is likely due to a combination of factors, including as the large-scale sale of SHIB tokens and the release of new tokens from the locked supply, from burning almost 20 million SHIB tokens to barely 2,0,5,0,0,0. The burn rate has dropped 99.13% in the past day. This aligns with the burn data from SHIB. Even with this decrease, the burn rate's overall performance in comparison to the SHIB price remains low. There can be a lot of factors causing traders to lose interest in SHIB. It is a major factor in the decline of prices from their peak levels. Because of this, some traders may have taken their money and run. Competition in the DeFi industry is heating up, which is another consideration. Each of the many new DeFi efforts that have emerged in the past few months has its own unique token. This intensified competition increases the risk that SHIB and other initiatives will go unnoticed. In conclusion, for some investors, SHIB's long-term business plan is cause for concern. A percentage of the restricted token supply will be used to support additional development, according to the project's founders. Still, the business's long-term viability and profitability are up for debate. By reducing the supply and circulation of Shiba Inu tokens through burning, the value of the cryptocurrency can rise. However, getting the price down to 0.001 requires a significant amount of burning. A price of 0.001 would need a cut in the token supply to $5,800 billion, given that there are currently 549.1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation and a market value of $5,810 million. It has been estimated by Shiba Queenie, a moderator on the Shiba Inu Discord, that the annual token burn for Shiba Swap and the upcoming Shibarium Layer 2 solution would reach $88,800 billion SHIB. This prediction suggests that the target price will be attained in about 6 years, although getting there might be trickier than it seems. The chief architect of Shiba Inu Archangel has spoken out against the unrealistic goal of destroying 90% of SHIB tokens. As a means of incentivizing the destruction of Shiba Inu tokens, which are less valuable than Ryoshi's vision, nearly all of the current token supply would have to be burnt. The reasoning behind the act of burning tokens in order to decrease their availability is thus cast into doubt. The future of SHIB is still up in the air, despite the fact that its burn rate has lately dropped. There's a chance the project may grow and gather support. A chance it will disappear into crypto oblivion. With time, effort, and a solid plan for the project's future, SHIB's founders have a chance to revive the token's appeal by overcoming their challenges and continuously inventing new concepts. Whales have amassed Boni in anticipation of its discharge. The asset's value has risen as a consequence. Since the beginning of the year, Bon's value has more than doubled due to its 101% rise. Now, Bon Shiba Swap could be found on Hubei's official portal for digital assets. By taking this step, the argument for a potential listing became more compelling. You could see the deposit and trade options right on the main page. However, there was no activity on the deposit page. Consequently, trading has not started and the exchange has not officially accepted Bon's listing. There has been much anticipation within the Shiba Inu troops for Bon's listing. In the middle of December of last year, the exchange shared a photo of a Shiba Inu dog dressed in crimson to get into the festive spirit. Rumors quickly circulated that a potential listing on Bomi was about to happen. With their most recent page launch, the exchange seems to be clearly getting ready for the same. We will wrap that up today. Give it a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest material. Notify me